Welcome to Daily Tech Gadgets. The MacBook Air M2 is the latest version of Apple's popular ultraportable laptop, which was released in October 2023. It features a new design, a larger and brighter display, a faster and more efficient processor, and a longer battery life than the previous model. It also comes in 4 colors: silver, starlight, space gray, and midnight. But is it worth the price? And how does it compare to other laptops in the market? Let's find out. Before we go to the next, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. And if you want to support my work, you can use the affiliate links in the description below to buy any of these laptops. It won't cost you anything extra, but it will help me keep making more videos like this. Let's talk about the design. The MacBook Air M2 has a sleek and elegant aluminum chassis that measures 0.44 inch thick and weighs 2.7 pounds. It's thinner and lighter than the MacBook Air M1, which was 0.63 inch thick and weighed 2.8 pounds. It's also one of the thinnest and lightest laptops you can find, making it very easy to carry around. The MacBook Air M2 has a new 13.6 inch liquid Retina display with a resolution of 2560 by 1664 pixels and a brightness of 500 nits. It supports a wide color gamut, P3, and True Tone technology, which adjusts the color temperature according to the ambient light. The display is stunning, with vivid colors, sharp details, and excellent contrast. It also has a notch at the top center, which houses a 1080p FaceTime HD camera and an ambient light sensor. The notch is slightly distracting, but you can hide it by adjusting the aspect ratio of the apps or videos you're using. The MacBook Air M2 has a backlit Magic Keyboard with 78 or 79 keys, depending on the region. The keys are comfortable to type on, with good travel and feedback. The keyboard also has a Touch ID button on the top right corner, which lets you unlock the laptop or use Apple Pay with your fingerprint. The MacBook Air M2 has a Force Touch trackpad, which is large and responsive. It supports pressure-sensitive gestures, such as force clicks, accelerators, and drawing. The MacBook Air M2 has 2 Thunderbolt/USB 4 ports on the left side, which support charging, data transfer, display output, and external devices. They can deliver up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth each, which is very fast. The laptop also has a MagSafe 3 charging port on the right side, which uses a magnetic connector that snaps into place and detaches easily if someone trips over the cable. This prevents damage to the laptop or the cable. The MagSafe 3 port can also be used for data transfer or display output with compatible accessories. The laptop also has a 3.5mm headphone jack on the right side. The MacBook Air M2 has an Apple M2 chip, which is the second generation of Apple's own processor for Macs. The M2 chip has an 8-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, an 8-core or 10-core GPU depending on the configuration, a 16-core neural engine for machine learning tasks, and up to 24 GB of unified memory that can be shared by the CPU and GPU. The M2 chip is very powerful and efficient, delivering fast performance for everyday tasks as well as demanding applications such as video editing or gaming. It also runs cooler and quieter than the M1 chip, as the MacBook Air M2 does not have a fan. The MacBook Air M2 has up to 2 TB of SSD storage, which is fast and reliable. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, and Bluetooth 5.3 for wireless connectivity. The MacBook Air M2 has a 4-speaker sound system that produces clear and loud audio with wide stereo sound. It also supports spatial audio when playing music or video with Dolby Atmos on the built-in speakers, or when using AirPods, 3rd generation, AirPods Pro, or AirPods Max. The laptop also has a 3-mic array with directional beamforming that captures your voice clearly and reduces background noise. The MacBook Air M2 has a 52.6 watt-hour lithium polymer battery that can last up to 18 hours of Apple TV app movie playback or up to 15 hours of wireless web browsing. This is one of the longest battery life you can get from a laptop, thanks to the efficiency of the M2 chip and the macOS operating system. The laptop comes with either a 30-watt or a 35-watt USB-C power adapter depending on the configuration, which can charge the battery quickly. The MacBook Air M2 runs on macOS Monterey, upgradable to latest version of Apple's operating system for Macs. macOS Monterey offers many features and improvements over the previous versions, such as universal control, which lets you use a single mouse and keyboard to control multiple Macs and iPads. AirPlay to Mac, which lets you stream audio and video from your iPhone or iPad to your Mac. Focus, which lets you customize your notifications and apps based on what you're doing. And Shortcuts, which lets you automate tasks with simple commands. macOS Monterey also works seamlessly with other Apple devices and services, such as iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime, AirDrop, Continuity, and Apple Music. So, what are the pros and cons of the MacBook Air M2? The pros are: it has a beautiful and thin design that comes in 4 colors. It has a larger and brighter display that supports a wide color gamut and true tone technology. It has a faster and more efficient M2 chip that delivers excellent performance for various tasks. It has a longer battery life than most laptops in the market. It has a 1080p webcam that captures your face clearly. It has a MagSafe 3 port that offers a convenient and safe way to charge the laptop. It runs on macOS Monterey, which offers many features and improvements over the previous versions. The cons are: it is pricier than the previous model and some of its competitors. It has a notch on the display that can be annoying for some users. It only supports one external monitor at a time. It only has 2 USB-C ports, which may not be enough for some users. It does not have a touch screen or a 2-in-1 design. So, should you buy the MacBook Air M2 right now? The answer is yes, if you're looking for a thin and light laptop that can handle all your productivity and entertainment needs with ease. The MacBook Air M2 is one of the best laptops you can buy right now, offering a great combination of performance, design, display quality, battery life, and features. It's especially suitable for Apple fans who want to enjoy the benefits of the Apple ecosystem and macOS Monterey. However, if you're on a tight budget or you need more ports or a touch screen or a 2-in-1 design, you may want to consider some of the alternatives that I've listed in the description below. These are some of the best Windows laptops that can compete with the MacBook Air M2 in terms of price, performance, design, display quality, battery life, and features. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or inquiries about these or any other laptops, please leave a comment below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Prices may vary depending on promotions and the day you buy the product. So do not forget to check the description. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.